Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, Carmen and I are heading to the Garden of the Gods. After taking a quick look around the visitor center, it was time to head out to the rest of the park. After driving around for a little while, we realized that it was going to be really hard to find a parking spot. The park was absolutely packed. So we took what we could get and just started walking. Time to head back and see if we can find another spot on the other side of the park.
Gateway Rock.
This being my first time to the Garden of the Gods, I had no idea that there were so many places that you could go rock climbing.
Next time, I'm coming for you.
Since we needed to grab some lunch and be heading home soon, we decided to do one more trail. As we reached the top of the trail, I noticed that this guy decided that it was a good idea to start rock climbing above all the tourists. What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah, man, you got this. This was such a good idea. Yeah, man. Where do I go, man? I don't know. Wait, how am I gonna get down?
Anyways, Carmen and I took a look around and we decided that it was time to head back down. As we were walking back to the car, I noticed that there were two rock climbers about to reach the summit of the rock that was right next to us. So I had to whip out the telephoto lens so I could capture it.
Anything sound good for lunch, baby?
Before leaving the park, we had one more stop to make, and that's Balancing Rock. And just like the rest of the park, it was absolutely packed. Needless to say, we didn't stick around long. So we headed downtown for lunch before the long journey home. Food and service here were top-notch. Would recommend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on our long journey home.